Assalamu alaikum and good morning. This video is a beginner's guide to Microsoft Word and to be an expert. In this video, I am going to tell you about how to increase your typing speed. Keep watching. Last year, I was thinking about how to increase my typing speed and I found a great technique to do it, which is called A to Z sentence technique. A to Z sentence technique is very amazing. You can increase your typing speed within 3 hours. It contains all the 26 alphabets of English. So, how to use it to increase your typing speed? It is very simple. Number 1, go to page layout tab and make sure to keep after option 0 PT. Number 2, go to home tab and make sure to keep font size 11. Number 3, go to insert tab and select page number. Number 4, write a line this sentence. A quick brown fox jumps over a lazy dog. You can see that the sentence contains all the 26 alphabets. Press enter and keep writing this sentence again and again. Write 50 pages only this sentence. After writing this completely, you can check your typing speed from Google. Just search typing speed test and test your typing speed. I'm sure your typing speed will increase highly. Don't forget to comment your typing speed below. Now, I am going to tell you how to download and install Outerfont to MS Word. Go to any browser and search 1001freefonts.com. Scroll down and choose any font you like and click on download. Then open the file and extract it. Then click on the Open Type Font file and install. Now go to MS Word and write equals to RAND first bracket 2 comma 3 first bracket close and press enter. Then select the text and take the font you downloaded. And increase the font size if you need it. That's all for today. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe right now. Just click on the subscribe button below this video. Are you going to try A to Z sentence technique? Leave me a comment right now.